Hi, welcome to the Air Weapon channel, and today we're going to be having a look at a few different guns, but what I want to talk about today is the Krytac Maximus 9 airsoft pistol BB gun. Basically I've got two of these and I'm having issues with both of them. They keep firing on their own every now and again, mainly when there's a CO2 magazine in here. I'm not sure if the hammer's not completely locking back when the magazine is in, and every now and again it just stays like that and you think it's alright, and then all of a sudden it'll just go off. Doesn't seem to be a safety on the gun, but other than that they are really good guns. But if you're using CO2, be wary that they do have a tendency to go off on their own. Anyway, this one has an extended suppressor and barrel magazine's empty, just so you think I'm pointing a loaded gun, and there's your tracer unit inside. The other thing I will say about the tracer unit with this, I don't know if it's everybody's or if it's just mine, but mine seems to go to sleep and not wake up, and you constantly got to keep undoing the front, unscrewing it, taking it out, and it's becoming a bit of a mission. So just to let you know on that one. And then that's the standard version. And the other thing I'll say about these guns is this one's basically not being used and is still wobbly on the front end, and this one is really wobbly on the front end now, and no matter how much you tighten it, it stays wobbly. And on full auto, sometimes with the CO2 mag in, it tends to jam, but other than that, they are good guns. So what we'll do now is we'll do a chrono test on them, being as I've not chronoed them before. And where's the CO2 one? And we'll also put a fresh CO2 in as well. So we'll do each gun with CO2, each gun with green gas, and see what the difference is. If the thing comes out, that is. And the other thing is, these cheap ones, they don't seem to pierce that well, but on some guns they work great, on others the Unirox works. On these they work perfectly fine, but if you want to use them on your grenade launcher fists, the cheaper shells don't pierce properly. As you can see, it doesn't go fully down. I'll explain that when we go on to that later. Point 2's first, we'll try with. First one in there is a tracer. So we'll just load 2 or 3 up. 4, so we got 2 for each gun. And this will be a green gas, we'll do the same. So we'll start off with the green gas, with the gun I have the most issues with. There you go, set to 0.2s. Just make sure that's on. Medium. 301 with a 0.2. So I wouldn't recommend using a heavier weight BB with this gun, or you'll be losing your FPS. So fresh gas. See what I mean by it doesn't fully go back. 306. Empty. Yeah, 306 from this one, so the new one's slightly more powerful, not by much though. So let's see how they go with CO2, brand new, as you just seen it put in. Much better readings, 332. 1.2 joules. 336. 105 joules. Much better reading. Let's see how the older gun does. Surprising. 258. Now I've got a speed loader there, but only putting 3 shots in. .330, 112 joules. 342, 346, 340. Not bad. Let's put a couple in there then and see how it goes. Readings are pretty much all over the place, but with the CO2 is always between 330 and 346, which is not bad at all. Let's see if it'll pick up on full auto. Not bad at all. Yeah. That's reading around 330 on full automatic too with the CO2. So if you're using Krytac Maximus 9, one warning sign, be careful. Make sure this is always fully pushed back or you ain't got a magazine in it, because the gun might go off on its own, even without your finger on the trigger. And secondly, CO2 mags, they do stick a little, but they work much more better on the FPS and the dual. So hope you enjoyed that, and see you again. Bye for now.